Let's now tackle number 17 on the 12B. Three sides of a triangle. Arithmetic progression with shortest 6. One interior angle is 120 degrees, and we want to find the area. So the key thing to notice here is that it's a fact that the largest side will be opposite the largest angle. And if one angle is 120 degrees, the other two sum to 60, they're both going to be very tiny compared to 120. So 120 degrees must be the angle opposite of the large side, 6 plus 2x. So this must be 120. And now, take a look. If we want to find the area, we can just use half AB sine C at the end. But first, we have to solve for x. And to do that, we just write an equation with law of cosines. So I think this is actually a pretty easy problem for number 17 on the 12. And there's a neat little trick here, and that is if you have, in general, when you have angles 120 degrees, cosine 120 is negative half, then this just becomes AB. So it's a nice little hack to remember that for when you're doing 120, you can just make it a squared plus b squared plus ab. It's just a shortcut you can use. So plus 6 times 6 plus x equals 2x plus 6 squared. So, expanding this, you can write the terms out, but a way I like to be organized is just write this in an orderly fashion. So 36 first, and x plus 6 squared, x squared plus 12x plus 36. 6 times 6 plus x, that's 6x plus 36. And then we get x squared plus 18x plus 108. And this way we can avoid making mistakes. So over here we have 4x squared plus 24x plus 36. And then now we just subtract. We get 3x squared plus 6x minus 72 equals 0. And then we get x squared plus 2x minus 24 is 0. Or x plus 6 times x minus 4 is 0. So x is 4. And therefore this is 10. And that's just 14. And then now it's just half AB sine C. Half times 6 times 10. Sine 120 is just sine of 60 root 3 by 2. So that becomes 60 times root 3 by 4, which is 15 root 3. So our answer is just E. Boom. A really simple problem if you ask me. The key thing is just notice this is 120 opposite the largest side, and then it's just law of cosines and half AB sine C. Hope you liked this video.